Hi, this tutorial will help you to better understand the complete process of how the designing area works from designing to placing an order. Just like these examples, and using our designer tool, you can also easily create amazing designs from scratch. The workspace area is consisting of two sides, the front side and the back side. Use the design library with ready-made clip arts and patterns according to each category and to your needs. You can resize, rotate, duplicate, or delete the image. To create text, click the letter T icon button and type the label, then click Add once you've finished. By selecting the text, you can also resize, rotate, duplicate, and delete the image. Additionally, you can change the fonts, size, and alignment of the text. You can also add your own images or designs in JPEG, PNG, SVG, and PDF, but make sure that it's the high-resolution file. Click the camera icon and browse the folder where you saved your image. Likewise, you can resize, rotate, duplicate, and delete the image. After doing the design, click the 360 degree to show the cup mock-up, and you can move it with your mouse or touchpad. Additionally, you can create a QR code for your social media or website's ease of access. You may also use the magnifier tool to check the small elements on your design. Click this button, Overlay, to organize the layering of the elements. After finalizing your design, you can save it by clicking this Save button and rename the file. You can check this button, Design Storage, to check if your design is actually saved. To proceed with the order, choose the size of the cup and the lid you prefer. Set the quantity of cartons that you desire to order. Once done, click this purple button to place your order. And you can proceed to the checkout page by clicking the Cart button. For a step-by-step guide, click this Help button to know more about the function of each button, or you may re-watch the tutorial by clicking this Information button. That's it. Super easy. How about trying it yourself?